Hello YouTube, I'm here to bring you the cutest little envelope that goes with our never-ending birthday card. If you haven't seen our never-ending birthday card, please check out a previous video of mine showing you how to make this adorable never-ending birthday card. How sweet is that? This cute little envelope shows you how you can take a 12 by 12 sheet of paper and make the cutest little envelope for your birthday card. And I am going to show you how to make it. So let's get started. All you need is scissors, paper, and a ruler. So what you're going to do is start off with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and then I cut it down to 10 by 10. Then what you're going to do is take your ruler and you are going to find the center point, which is 5. I'll just zoom in so you can just see this a little bit better. Mind the manicure, definitely need a new one. So you're just going to mark it 5 and then do 1/4 on one side of the 5 and another 1/4 on the other. I can give you the exact measurements, but once you learn to do this envelope, this is basically what you do is you find your center and then you work from 1/4 on one side and 1/4 of an inch on the other side. And then you're going to turn around to the other side and you are going to do the same thing. You are going to find the center point, which is 5, and then you're going to mark 1/4 on one side and 1/4 on the other side. And then once you have that done to all 4 sides, you are then going to start drawing. For the speed of the video, I've already done it for you. So what you're going to do is find the farthest point. Let me just zoom back out of again so that you can see this a little bit better. You're going to find the farthest point out from the left to the farthest point to the right that you just drew. So if you can see here, I'm going from this far to the left to this one to the right. And then I'm just going to draw a line. Then once you have that, you're going to see that there's little triangles on either side. And you're just going to come in and cut those triangles. Again, you're going to take much more time to be more mindful. And you're going to do that to all 4 sides. I'll do that real quick here. If you don't want to watch me do it, just fast forward right now. I won't say anything important that you're missing other than hope you're having a wonderful day. And then what you're going to do is cut them all out, and you are then going to score on the line. If you have a score pal or anything like that, that works better. But if you don't, you'll just want to come up like this, fold it, and really make sure that you get a nice fold. You can either have that on the outside, or if you're going to follow our kit, which I have the link below. If you wanted to buy this kit while they're still available, I'll have the link below to our website. You can have it go that way. So the link to the card will have everything that you need to make this card, with the exception of the washi sticker. You can get that yourself. So then once you have all sides and notched out, like you can see here, you're just going to fold up from the bottom and go either side like this, or you can go side to side and then go to the top. And then you can just put a little sticker to close that shut. That's totally up to you. Again, you cut that down to 10 inches by 10 inches. You will see that there's a little bit of movement or play on the inside. It's not snug. I just like it that way. And this is how I like to do it. And that's it. And that is how you can make the cutest little envelope for your never-ending card. And I want to thank you for stopping by. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I do thrifting hauls as well. So if you see a video that says thrift, that's a thrift video. If you see a video that says DIY, that's a DIY video. Please comment. Please check the links below. Hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you very, very much for stopping by. I'm Melissa Francis.